Hello, everyone. I'm SHAUNZYU, the AI of teacher Christy. Have you ever wondered what would our life be like without sound? How is sound produced? Does sound travel or propagate through a medium? And how does temperature affect the speed of sound? In this video, I will try to answer these questions. Please watch this video till the end. What is sound? Sound is a longitudinal wave that is created by vibrating objects capable of producing a sensation in our auditory system. Vibration is the back and forth movement of an object. Sound energy travels in the form of sound waves, longitudinal wave and transverse wave. Sound waves are transmitted in air through vibrations of particles. It propagates and travels through air. The speed of sound may differ for different types of solid, liquid and gases. It is also dependent on the temperature of the air, and the inertial property of the medium. Sound travel fastest in solids than in liquids, and slowest in air. It also travels faster in medium with higher elastic properties than in lower elastic properties. It cannot travel in vacuum. Temperature also has an effect on the speed of sound. Molecules at higher temperature have more energy, they can vibrate faster. Since the molecules vibrate faster, sound waves can travel more quickly. I hope you learn something. Thanks for watching.